everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly special to talk about. The Ferrari F8 Tributo. This car is a masterpiece from Ferrari, combining breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and raw power. If you're a fan of speed, luxury, and precision engineering, you're in for a treat. Starting with the exterior, the F8 Tributo is designed to be as aerodynamic as it is beautiful. The sleek lines and sculpted bodywork are not just for show. Every curve is engineered for maximum downforce and efficiency. The S-duct at the front, inspired by Formula One technology, helps improve airflow and increase stability at high speeds. The LED headlights are slimmer and more aggressive, adding to the car's sharp and modern look. The rear of the car pays homage to the legendary Ferrari V8 GTB, featuring quad taillights and a stunning Lexan engine cover that proudly displays the heart of this beast. Every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance performance while making sure it turns heads wherever it goes. Now, stepping inside the cabin, Ferrari has maintained its driver-focused approach. The cockpit is wrapped in premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather, ensuring a luxurious yet sporty feel. The steering wheel is packed with controls, allowing drivers to adjust settings without taking their hands off the wheel. The paddle shifters feel incredibly responsive, giving you the feeling of being in a race car. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and clear, providing all the necessary driving data at a glance. There's also an updated infotainment system, though Ferrari keeps distractions to a minimum, ensuring the focus remains on driving. The passenger-side digital display is a nice touch, allowing co-pilots to feel engaged with real-time performance stats. Comfort is surprisingly good for a supercar, with supportive seats and just enough space for everyday usability, though storage is limited. When it comes to performance, the Ferrari F8 Tributo is an absolute powerhouse. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, lies a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque. This allows the car to rocket from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 340 km/h. Ferrari has worked extensively on weight reduction, making the F8 Tributo lighter and more agile than its predecessor, the 488 GTB. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast, delivering seamless shifts for an exhilarating driving experience. The car also features advanced aerodynamics and electronic aids like the Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer, making it more stable and easier to control at the limit. Whether on the track or the open road, the F8 Tributo delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Now, let's talk about the price. Owning a Ferrari is a dream for many, and with a base price starting around $280,000, the F8 Tributo is not cheap. However, considering its performance, technology, and exclusivity, it offers incredible value in the supercar world. Customization options like carbon fiber upgrades, premium interiors, and special paint finishes can push the price even higher, easily exceeding $350,000 for a fully spec'd model. Overall, the Ferrari F8 Tributo is a masterpiece that blends beauty, power, and innovation. It's a fitting tribute to Ferrari's legendary V8 engines and a perfect balance of performance and usability. Let me know in the comments what you think of this beast. Would you choose the F8 Tributo over its rivals like the Lamborghini Huracan or McLaren 720S? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car reviews. See you in the next video.